Hey guys, welcome back to another video from the Maestro Speaks. I hope you guys are doing great out there, and hope you had a wonderful trading week. Um, this video is somewhat of a talk. This is not analyzing anything and what I think the market can do and all that. No, this is not that type of video. I just came to the realization, and I've been thinking this way for a long time, and I'm sure that there are other traders out there who feels this way, that trading from the higher time frame is always better. It's always better to trade higher from the higher time frame because it's less stress, man. If you wanna have a stress-free life when it comes to these charts, I would suggest, because I can't force you, because you got some people who just love the thrill and spills of the market. A lot of persons see the market as a casino. All right, they got this high. They get this high when the candles go up. They'll be, whoa, the candles going up, and they want to, oh, whoa. So they like that. They like all that hoopla and stuff. But when you see the market as putting your money to work, and you look at it from a investment standpoint, you're not going to be as excited. As a matter of fact, trading will become very boring to you. All right. The people who get excited, ooh, those persons, they either new to trading or they have a serious addiction, possibly, where they just use trading as a kind of like a casino with the same feeling what you would get if you go to Vegas and you be gambling and you playing Russian roulette or what you call it, baccarat or whatever those games are. But if you look at it from an investment perspective, it'll be very, very boring. Your money is basically doing all of your work. So you ain't really nothing to do. You just letting your money work for you. You see what I'm saying? And what I've came to realize, right? And I know I'm rambling, but it's gonna make is a method to make madness. Trust me. What I've noticed, and this is the USD CAD currency pair monthly time frame perspective. What I've noticed, right, is that the market basically is only going from one area to the next. We talking about all-time high, all-time low. The market has went, this is the all-time high. This is the 1.61789 level. And then you got the all-time low, which is 0.908222 level, or 0.9082 level. So that's the pipette on the end, right? When you think about it, right? When you think about it, the market is only going from one area to the next. That's it. So if you were a position trader trading from the monthly time frame, you could enter in a buy or sell. This might sound weird me saying this, right? But you could enter in a buy or sell. It really doesn't matter. If you have enough liquidity in your trading account to withstand the drawdown, because you might enter in, let's say you might enter a sell. You see this engulfing candle there on the monthly, and it actually has, let me use this horizontal line. All right, this market, see that this is an area of okay, you have resistance. First it was resistance, and you have support, resistance. All right, so this market did react off an area of resistance, right? Because you have these wicks from the previous months hitting this particular area, because this is a very strong. This is why I say to people that the monthly time frame levels are stronger, because now you have this particular area in the market where the sellers say, this is seller's territory. But what I'm saying, you have the engulfing. So let's say you enter the sell, right? Anticipating that the market go down, but the market decides to go all the way up here. Let's say the market decides to go all the way back up here to this historical area, because this is a strong historical level right here. You could then, as a position trader with a lot of liquidity, you could hedge your position where you might be in drawdown because you didn't exit the former position, but then if you enter in a higher position, it'll actually you'll be able to hedge your account where you will be able to recoup the loss from this bad position up here, not over leveraging at all because you have that much liquidity going on. Because this is the power of trading higher time frame, and also this is the power of having the liquidity in your account. Because really and truly, based off of this market, the market has only went from one area to the next, and it has since never hit the all-time high, all-time low. If you all understand what I'm saying, it's not where you have to be in the market all the time. Persons who, if you have a lot of money in your trading account and you enter, let's say you enter one trade for the whole year, or 1 year, or one trade in every 2 years or something like that. You simply wait for the market to get to a significant area. Like this particular trade would have been good for you right here. We all know, see, the market reacted. See, historically, this was a very strong area of resistance because of you, historically speaking, this is the area right here, and this was support. So you have a past support becoming future resistance scenario, right? You have this reaction off here. So then I look to the left. So then once you see this, and then you see this monthly time frame now, you could have held, entered, and hold your position all the way down here. You couldn't do that. This market could very well continue to fall all the way down here. Oops, sorry. Technically speaking now. Or it can push all the way back up here. Well, it don't matter if you have enough money in your account to withstand these moves. This is my point. So you don't have to trade multiple currency pairs. You don't have to do that. You don't have to do that. And your win ratio, excuse me, little sinus. Your win ratio will improve drastically if you do that. All right? Your win ratio will improve drastically because you're only trading one currency pair and you have enough liquidity in your account and you're taking the emotions out of trading. This is why 95% or 90% to 95% of traders lose because they're trading from the lower time frame perspective and they're over leveraging, trying to get rich when you're trading off the 5 minute. Like, dude, you're gonna listen, man. You're gonna be tricked to all every other day. You're gonna be tricked. The noise is too much. All right, the noise is way too much on those lower time frames. So it's better to trade from the higher time frame. Okay, it's just better. That's what I want, and that's what I wanted to say. And guess what? Let's just say, and this is another thing, if you had entered in a position, let's just say you had entered a sell here, right? Okay. Let's just say you had entered a sell here, right? And in the month it pushed up. Yeah, you lose. Okay, no problem. What you do? Based on what I'm saying, you see this move. This is a very good setup. You enter in. Of course, it's just a pullback. It seems like it's just like a pullback from the higher time frame perspective. But this is 1, 2, 3. You have 4 months of bullish momentum, so you can actually hold and make some money right here. So a pullback, like I said, this may be a pullback, possibly. So if let's say this is a pullback because you have this double top. You have this double top and you have this double top. So this could very well be you have the move down, push up, further move down. But what I'm saying is that you could make some money even because of the time frame being so high and so long. You're gonna make money in 4 months, and you only trade in one currency pair. So if you're wrong one way, you could be right the other way. Because if you trade, let's just say you trade USD CAD, Euro ZAR, and those other pairs, and you just see setups on all of them, and you just jump from pillar to post. what's going to happen? You're going to be losing a lot because you're not. It's going to be very hard to. It's hard to analyze and to basically know what those different pairs are doing and the psychology behind those pairs. But if you stick with one pair and you trade from the higher time frame perspective and you take the emotions out of trading and you don't overtrade and over leverage, you have to be profitable. It's impossible not to be profitable. It's literally impossible. All right. So this is just a little rant, whatever talk. I just feel like and I'm talking to myself too. Don't worry, I preaching to myself too. It just makes sense, man. Get rid of the worry and trade long term. And you could man and you even could have a life outside of trading. You don't have to be glued to your screen all day long looking for setups to happen. That don't make sense. You want you know what? You get involved in trading so that you can be free. Trading's supposed to liberate you. Trading's supposed to liberate you, not have you in bondage. All right. So that's my video. I don't know what I'm gonna call it. So I guess when you see the title, that's what they're gonna be. So you guys have a wonderful weekend. All right. Take care.